morning, my lovely students. I know and I hope you have completed your first chapter of mathematics in your notebooks. So now, in this video, we will be starting our second chapter, that is addition. I know you have done in previous classes. Remember, you have added 2-digit numbers, 3-digit numbers. In this chapter, we will move one step further. In this chapter, we will be doing addition of 5-digit number as well as 6-digit number. So, are you guys ready for that? Hold on. Go and bring your textbook as well as your notebook so you can practice it. And then whenever I will be sending you the PDF, at that time, you can solve that PDF in your notebooks. So, let's start the video. So students, we will watch a video of addition for your better understanding. The same video depicts about the textbook as well. So you don't need to be tension about it, okay? We will have fun in watching this video. Then afterwards, we will solve the exercise. Are you ready? So let's start the video. Okay.
The students of various schools have gathered for inter-school sports competition. Some of them are participating in various sports and the remaining have come to encourage the participants. There are 1,251 boys and 1,089 girls. Total number of students is 1,251 plus 1,089 is equal to 23.
See students, here is the example of 4-digit addition. There were boys as well as there were girls participated in a quiz. So now we will add it. Remember, see, ones, tens, 100, 1,000. Understood? 9 plus 1, 10. 1 will be carried forward here. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 8, 14. Understood? You remember the concept? Should I move further? Okay.
The numbers to be added are called the addend, and the answer in addition is called the sum.
This answer is called the sum, and the two numbers are added, that is called addends. Okay?
Addition of 5-digit and 6-digit numbers. In previous classes, we have learned to add 3-digit and 4-digit numbers with but without regrouping. In the same way, we can add 5-digit and 6-digit numbers. Step 1. Add the ones. Step 2.
These are the steps to be followed when we do the addition of 5-digit and 6-digit. Okay? Remember, we will always start from ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000 and lakh. Understood? We will always start from the end. Understood? It might be addition or subtraction. We will start from the end. These are the steps for it.
2. Add the tens. Step 3. Add the hundreds. Step 4. Add the thousands. Step 5. Add the 10,000s. For 5-digit numbers. Step 6. Add the lakhs or 6-digit numbers. Addition of 5-digit numbers. Add 43,165 and 25,412. Add ones. 5
We will add ones, then tens, then hundreds, then thousands, then 10,000. We will always follow the pattern from the back side. Okay?
1 plus 4 is equal to 500. Add thousands. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8,000.
Now we will add 10,000. 4 plus 2 equals to 6.
6 10,000s. Add 38,653 and 12,845. Add ones. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8 ones. Add tens. 1,000 plus 400 can equal to 10,000 plus 1,000. Carry over 1 to the 10,000. 6,21,000.
So this is the example of 6-digit number. In this also, we ones. We will add from ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. Okay. So let's move to the exercise so we can come to know. So students, now we will be solving the exercise of chapter 2 addition. Our first exercise is on page number 26. You can have a look on page number 26, our first exercise. Understood? After solving the first exercise, we will move to the second exercise over here. Okay? You can solve the sums in the textbook as well, but it's necessary to solve in the notebook as well. Okay? I will be sending you the PDF. Understood? So let's start the session. In exercise 1, we will be solving first sum and second sum. Okay? Let's start. You will be solving with me as well. 5 plus 2? Yes. 7. 7 plus 2? Yes. 9. 3 plus 1? 3 plus 1? 4. Okay. Let's see the second one. Always remember we will start from ones. 7 plus 3? Yes. 10. So 1 will be carried forwarded. 5, 6, 7. 7 plus 4? Yes. 11. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1 will be carried forwarded. 1 plus 1, 2. Understood? So, let's move to the second sum. See, the same exercise we will be solving the fifth sum as well as sixth sum. So, you can have an idea about the कैसे हम तीन नंबर्स के ग्रुप को हम ऐड करेंगे. ओके, सी 7 plus 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 plus 8 equals to 20. Okay, 7, 8, 9, 10 plus 4, 14. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Add with me. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. Okay. Let's move to the sixth sum. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 3, 13. 1 will be carried forward into hundreds. Sorry, it's tens. 6 plus 4, 10. 10, 11, 12. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. I hope we have solved the first exercise together and we had great fun. So let's start with the second exercise. Oh, second exercise. In this, we will be discussing about 5 digits. In the video we saw that we will always start from the ones. Remember the order. Ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. Let's start it. 3 plus 2, 5. 3 plus 1, 4. 3 plus 2, 5. Now we will add the 1000 one. 5 plus 3, 8. And 10,000, 3 plus 2, 5. This was A. Now we will be solving the second sum, that is F of same question number 1. Okay, see in this. In this also we will start from the ones. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1 will be carried forwarded. 4. Okay. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 4, 14. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 7, 17. मैं सिर्फ मार्क्स इसलिए बना रही हूँ कि यू शुड हैव अ आइडिया कि मैम कहाँ से कैलकुलेशन कर रहे हैं. ओके, सी नाउ 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 6, 16. 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now let's move to the question number 2. In question number 2, we will be solving the A and F. Okay, let's solve it. A. 8 plus 1, 9. 6 plus 2, yes, 8. 5 plus 0 will be 5. 3 plus 3, 6. 3 plus 2, 5. What will be my answer? 56,589. So let's move to the F1. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. Okay? Yeah, you remember it very well. We will start from here or here? Yes, you are right, my lovely kids. We will be starting from ones. Okay? 3 plus 2, 5. 8 plus 0, 8. 7 plus 7, 14. 1 will be carried forward into 1000. 5, 6. 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 will be carried forward into 10,000. 7, 8 and 9. 90,485 was my next answer. Oh! Now we will be starting exercise 3. Okay? See this. In this we will be dealing with 6-digit numbers. Understood? See this. While there is addition of lakh column, the same procedure will be followed everywhere when there comes to addition. 8 plus 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 3, 4, 5. 7 plus 3, 10. 5, 6, 7. So my answer will be 7,05,204. Let's move to question number 2. Find the sum. Your exercise 3 is on page number 29. You can have a look on that also. Oh, my lovely students know this sum. Okay, then my lovely students will be solving the worksheet as well. Here is your worksheet. Have a look on this your cute, small and interesting worksheet. See. You have to find the sum of these two numbers, that is based on exercise 1. Find the sum of these 5 sums. In this there is a club of exercise 2 and exercise 3. The starting 2 sums belongs to exercise 2 and the 3 sums belongs to exercise 3. So you can pause the video and you can copy this question at the back side of your fair book. Because of COVID-19 we are not able to give you the hard copies. So with the help of these soft copies, you can go through it. If you want, then you can text me a message that ma'am, I need the copy of this worksheet. I will send you to the soft copy. You can pause the video and look at it. So you can pause the video and you can copy the questions. That's the reason I'm aside from you. So that's all for today. Here we complete our second chapter, exercise 1, 2 and 3. In next video, we will be discussing about exercise 4 and we will have a look on review exercise as well. So till that, take care. Bye. God bless you.